Hey, welcome back to a new video. How you all doing? Hope you're all well. So we didn't actually do a recording this morning because we got up super early.
Yes, because Rocky has come to the vets again.
Yeah.
And this time we've left him.
Yeah.
Because he's getting his getting a snip.
Yeah, he's getting the snip, bless him. He was all right, to be fair, to drop him off. He's never actually that bad when he comes to the vets. No. He might be after this though, because yeah, I imagine it's not very nice going in there and then coming back out without your parts.
But it means we've got a dog-free day, so we're going to go do some shopping, pick up some bits for the van, and we've got to pick him up at 3:30, and then we've got 10 days of trying to keep him calm. Which
will be an absolute nightmare because he loves to just run around, chase balls and play. And we've got to stop him from doing that for at least the first few days at least. So yeah, this should be fun. We could pick him up around 3:30, she said, obviously unless they have any complications, which hopefully they don't. No. But yeah, like Tabitha said, we're going to go around and go to like B&Q, Wicks, and just go and pick up loads of things for the van. While we're over this way and we've got basically all day to burn, we're just going to kind of go around and pick things up. I'm not too sure what we're going to do first. We're kind of just going to head to somewhere and then kind of go from there, really. And we'll take you obviously along. But I feel terrible this morning. I do really feel awful. I'm not a morning person at all.
No. You were getting better when we were in the van, and then we moved back into my mum's, and now I'm
awful again. Yeah, I'm lazy again in the mornings. It's really bad. We ate food late last night, and I don't think that helped as well because I feel well sick this morning. But now we've left the puppy dog. Let's go and do some shopping. I think we might go to Pets at Home first because we need to get a couple of bits for him, and then we can just really get on with like getting the stuff for the van. I made a
I said, tell me your story. So that's the first stop done. We went to Pets at Home and sorted out Rocky. Bought him a couple of toys. We did treat him. We got him a couple of Kong toys, but we think it will keep him entertained for the next 10 days as he is on bed rest. And we also got him some free food that we thought we'd try him on. But now it's time to go and get some uni struts that Liam's going to use for the roof bars. He's planning on mounting everything to them. So like all the solar panels and the antenna, instead of actually mounting it or screwing it into the roof, because with the VW, we screwed everything onto the roof, so it means if you want to change anything, it just makes it more of a nightmare. You can obviously do it, but then you have to just sycophlex, and I don't really want to do that. He's managed to find a place that does 6 metre long lengths, because the other place that he was looking at only did 3 metres, but the van's 3.5 metres, so we need to obviously get the 6 metre and cut it down. It's only 10 minutes away, so we're going to head off there now.
Right, so we've come to a place called Trentside Fixings in Nottingham, and yeah, they've been excellent. So if you're around this area and you need some Unistrut stuff, because these do 6 metre lengths, which is the only place in Nottingham that we found. There might be some others, but yeah, we found it here, and yeah, customer service will bang on and stuff like that. But we do have all the stuff we think we need now, to actually make the roof rack, which will be awesome. What I'm planning on doing with it is kind of mocking it up first, and then I'll take it off if I can get it to work, and then I'll spray it down. There's no point spraying it unless I know it actually fits and works and stuff.
And what did you do, Liam? You ordered 6 metres, we're like, right, we need 6 metres, and we're standing there, he's going to get it, and we're like, I don't think it'll fit in the van, you know? So luckily they actually managed to cut it down for us, which is a great one, otherwise
it wouldn't fit.
Yeah, I don't know how they got it home.
I'd have to drive back to the farm, get the angle grinder, and come back and cut it myself. But yeah, so they actually cut it as well, because I made the rookie mistake of ordering 6 metres, and obviously 6 metre length won't fit inside the van. But we have it all now. It's kind of just poking through because it's cut to 4 metre lengths, because we don't know how long we're going to need it on the roof, and it's better to have too much than too little. And we want it hanging over a little bit so we can put a light bar on there eventually as well. So yeah, that's all awesome. And I don't know where we're going to go now, but wherever we go, we'll meet you there.
Takes to heart what I wrote. So we went to B&Q and picked up some wood for the bed, so when we actually clad up the wall, we kind of know what level our bed's going to be at. So we picked up some wood. I think that was the only thing we picked up from B&Q. It was just like bits and bobs day today. We rang the vets up and we asked how Rocky was doing, and he was just groggy. I think he'd only just woken up, bless him. But we've got like 2.5 hours till we have to pick him up. So we decided that we'll come and get some food while we wait, because we're both hungry and we haven't actually been out for a meal together for a while, so it's something different. What you've got, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not.
Alright, so we're back on the farm now. We've basically just been chilling out all night, obviously watching Rocky, seeing how he's doing that lot, and he's doing actually really well. He's had some food, he's had actually a lot of food. I did him like rice, chicken, and like scrambled egg, and I actually filled his bowl because I overjudged like how much rice there was. But yeah, pretty much all of it, so he's done really well. But he doesn't like the cone of shame at all. So while we're watching him, we've actually took it off him. Just so he can try and get like 5 minutes rest, because yeah, he hasn't been relaxing at all, has he, too?
No, he's just not settling with it. And he is tired. He hasn't slept since he's come back, and he's had a very eventful day. And you can tell he's tired. He's just not falling asleep.
Yeah. So while we're obviously sitting here watching him, we're going to take his cone off. But as soon as we have to do something, or we have to like go somewhere, you know what I mean, or if we're going to sleep, then the cone will be going straight back on. Because we can't trust him, obviously, to not lick it or bite it or anything like that, because that's worst case scenario. So, yeah, while we've got time like now, just to sit and just pay full attention to him. He ain't got to have it on, just because he prefers it. But, yeah, like I say, as soon as we have to do something or take our attention away from him, then the cone will be going straight back on. But he's done really well. Like, he's just been chilling out, ain't you, boy? Rocky?
Yeah, he just keeps whining for
Yeah.
attention.
Yeah, that's all he's doing.
Because the vets were saying they kept whining and they kept checking his wound, and he was fine. He wasn't in pain.
Yeah.
So we took it as he's not in pain.
Yeah.
Not in very bad pain anyway.
Yeah.
And I think he just wants a bit of love and attention. Because when you give him a bit of a fuss, he calms down a bit.
Yeah, she was saying it's just a bit like being drunk. Like, he can't really feel anything because he's had anaesthetic and like painkillers and stuff. But it obviously makes him drowsy, and I think that's what's making him whine. But yeah, hopefully now we took the cone off and got him on the bed, he'll actually chill out a little more and actually get some sleep.
Right, so we're going to spend the rest of the night just giving this little man lots of love and cuddles. So we're going to end the video here. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.